everyone, I'm Alexandria, and today we're going to talk about how to treat a sore shoulder. When you have a sore shoulder, there's so many different things that could be the cause of it. Shoulders are one of the joints on our body that we use the absolute most. There's lots of tendons, there's lots of cartilage, ligaments, and because it's such a complex joint, it could really cause a multitude of different problems for you. One of the first causes that you could be experiencing from sore shoulder is going to be the arthritis. There's actually two different forms of arthritis that could be affecting your shoulder. The first one is going to be osteoarthritis. That's going to be the form of arthritis that is going to be the most common. It really comes from just your normal wear and tear of your joint. It comes from age and aging of the joint. And if you have maybe a job or you're an athlete that can put extra stress and tension on that joint, you could actually consider osteoarthritis. Those are risk factors for that. The other form of arthritis is going to be rheumatoid arthritis. Now, rheumatoid arthritis is actually a completely different thing, but it can also affect the shoulder joint. Rheumatoid arthritis is more of an immune deficiency. Basically what it does is it causes your body to over-attack cells that they think are not performing correctly, so they send too many antibodies to that particular area. The second cause that you could be experiencing from a sore shoulder is going to be a kind of dislocation. Dislocations are actually very, very common. Now that I've went ahead and went over a couple of the different reasons that you may be experiencing a sore shoulder, we're also going to talk about the different ways that you can treat it to help make it not sore anymore. So the first step is going to be your obviously common sense. Just rest. Just lay down, take a breather, rest those joints. Obviously, life can be really long and hard, so just taking a beat and giving those joints a chance to rest is really important. Two would be just to exercise, stretch, things like yoga or physical therapy. It may seem counterintuitive to want to move those joints, but actually if you keep them strong, you may be able to prevent that shoulder from getting worse and worse. Another way you could treat your sore shoulder is going to be with a TENS unit from HealthMate Forever. TENS units are amazing because they are electrotherapy. They send electrodes to the specific area in the body that you may feel that you have pain, and basically it just retrains the brain how to react to that pain. And the last point would just be to apply hot and cold. So you can actually look up different ways. If you can go back and forth, you could use one or the other, whatever feels best to you. So now that we've kind of went over all of those different ways, you can get to resting and stretching. And I know that shoulder pain can be debilitating, but there is a way to treat it and get your life back. Thanks for joining us. Bye, guys.